According to Einstein, compound interest, also known as compounding, is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it; he who doesn't, pays it. At first this quote might seem like a bit of an exaggeration, but the math behind it shows that it is not. Hello everyone, today we are going to explore the powerful concept of compounding and its impact on wealth accumulation. Compounding is the process by which an asset's earnings, from either capital gains or interest, are reinvested to generate additional earnings over time. This means that not only do you earn returns on your initial investment, but you also earn returns on the returns, leading to exponential growth. Let's explore the concept of compounding using a famous story involving a chessboard. Imagine a chessboard with 64 squares. Now, let's say we place 1 grain of rice on the first square, 2 grains on the second square, 4 grains on the third square, and so on, doubling the amount for each subsequent square. By the time we reach the 64th square, the amount of rice becomes astronomical. This simple doubling pattern illustrates the power of compounding. Let's illustrate this with an example. Imagine you invest rupees 10,000 in a savings account or an investment that earns an annual interest rate of 8%. At the end of the first year, you would earn rupees 800 in interest, bringing your total to rupees 10,800. Now, instead of withdrawing the interest, you leave it invested. In the second year, you earn 8% interest not just on your initial rupees 10,000, but on the entire rupees 10,800. This results in an interest of rupees 864, bringing your total to rupees 11,664. Now, again, instead of withdrawing the interest, you leave it invested. In the third year, you earn 8% interest not just on your initial rupees 10,800, but on the entire rupees 11,664. This results in an interest of rupees 933, bringing your total to rupees 12,597. As you can see, by reinvesting the interest, your investment grows faster over time. This compounding effect becomes even more significant with longer investment horizons. Now, let's consider the power of compounding over a longer period. If you were to invest rupees 10,000 at an annual compounding rate of 8% for 12 years, your investment would grow to over rupees 25,182. Now we are going to delve into the compounding formula for investing, which is essential for understanding how your money grows over time. The formula for compounding is expressed as P multiplied to the bracket of 1 plus R of the power T equals to X. Let's break down each component. P represents the initial investment or principal amount. In our case, rupees 10,000. R stands for the annual rate of return for the investment. In our case, 8% or 0.08. T denotes the period of investing, in our case 12 years. X represents the future value of the investment after the period T, including both the initial investment and the compounded returns. Now, let's see how this formula works with an example. Suppose you invest rupees 10,000 in a savings account that earns an annual interest rate of 8%, or 0.08. You plan to leave this investment untouched for 12 years, T12. Using the compounding formula, we can calculate the future value of the investment. X nearly equals to 25,182. So, after 12 years, your initial rupees 10,000 investment will grow to approximately rupees 25,182 through the power of compounding. This example demonstrates how even modest returns can grow into substantial amounts over time through the magic of compounding. The key takeaway is to start investing early and to let your investments compound over time. The longer your money has to grow, the more powerful the effects of compounding become. So, whether you are saving for retirement, education, or any other financial goal, harnessing the power of compounding can help you achieve your objectives faster and more efficiently. Remember, consistency is key. Keep investing regularly, reinvest your earnings, and watch your wealth grow exponentially over time. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.